Introducing our marine vinyl dual tank storage pouches for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. The dimensions of each bag are 9.5 inches wide by 4.5 inches tall and a bag depth of 1 3/4 inches. The bags are sold as a pair for both the left and right side of the bike and featured a covered zippered storage pouch, making them the perfect solution for things like sunglasses, phone, wallet, and keys. Now allow me to walk you through the installation process. Start by opening your frunk and popping out these 4 push pins. Then open your gas door and pop out these other 4 push pins so that you can take off the 2 side panels. Now using an alcohol prep pad, clean the back side of the gas tank panel here and this flat part of the panel here behind the headlight. Let that dry and then pop out this push pin and insert it through this hole of your right hand side tank bag and then back into the panel. Then grab another push pin and insert it through this hole of the tank bag and into the panel, but don't push the pin all the way down just yet. Now peel off the protective backing tape, pull the bag snug, and attach it to the bike here, pressing down firmly to adhere it in place. Next, you can remove that back push pin and reinstall the side panel by pushing these 3 push pins back into place. And when you get to this rear one, line up the hole from your tank pad first before putting the push pin back through. And then you can peel back the protected backing tape from the rear strip, hold the tank bag nice and snug, and adhere it to the back side of the tank panel here, pressing down firmly to adhere it in place. And then simply repeat that same process for the other side. Now, if you could use a bit more storage on your Can-Am Ryker, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a pair of Ryker tank storage bags for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything Ryker.